Hey you guys, it's your girl Chanel, and today I'm here with another hair video. So I'm installing some clip-ins from my hair company, Success by Hair, into my lovely friend's hair. She is currently wearing a 20-inch and a 22-inch, so we're using 2 packs. Remember, the longer the length, the more packs you need. So I always say definitely use 2 packs if you have a longer length. Let's get into this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash these clip-ins. She's had these for not really long, but I just want for her to have fresh clip-ins. So it didn't take me long to wash it. I used Tresemme. I washed the hair twice. So because she had 2 packs, I just separated it so I didn't have to deal with all the hair at once. So washed it twice, and then I placed this conditioner in it. I'm using Shea Moisture Conditioner. You can use any shampoo or conditioner that you like, any one that you may use for your natural hair too. However you want to do it, it's at your discretion, but I use Tresemme and Shea Moisture. So I let the conditioner sit in for about 5 minutes, and then I washed everything out. So now I am spraying some heat protecting spray. I'm using my Tresemme heat protecting spray. You guys know this is my favorite heat protecting spray. If you don't have it, definitely need to order it. So I usually let my clip-ins air dry because we're like crunch for time. I'm just gonna blow dry them. So this is just how I blow dry it. I get a clip, put it up at the top to just hold them together, and I just blow dry it. This blow dryer, if I can find the link for it, I will definitely link it down at the bottom because this is like an amazing blow dryer. It doesn't do a lot of heat damage to the hair because I use this blow dryer a lot on my natural hair. So this is a really good blow dryer. If I remember the link, I promise to link it down at the bottom. But I'm just gonna blow dry the clip-ins, and then I will flat iron them as I'm installing them into her hair. So right now I'm just gonna thoroughly blow dry it, and that's it. Now we are set and ready to go. So I just want you guys to look at how beautiful and thick and healthy her hair is. It's really, really, really healthy. I love it. So we are gonna do a middle part. Well, we were gonna start off with the middle part, and then we decided to switch it up to a side part because I felt everybody goes to the middle. So I am going to part out her hair, and if you haven't seen my other clip-in video that I did on myself, I'm linking it up at the top right now. But we're going to straighten it now, like I just stated before, and we're just gonna apply each row. So we're gonna part, and then we're going to flat iron the clip-ins, flat iron her hair too, just so that it can blend better. And then we're gonna add each row in. So that's what I'm just doing. Applying clip-ins is really easy. For those who don't, know too much about hair, I just wanted to demonstrate another video, and I wanted to demonstrate it on another person besides myself. So that's why I'm doing this video. But as you guys can see, it's really super easy, and this style is extremely flexible. I plan to do another video with showing you the different styles you can do with clip-ins, like half up, half down, a ponytail. I want to show you guys all of that, but these clip-ins on my line I really truly love, and I felt like clip-ins were really popular back then. And I'm saying back then, like I'm talking about like 5 or 6 years ago. So maybe, yeah, like 5, 6, 7 years ago they were really popular. And then these lace fronts and closures became popular, and people forgot about them, and I feel like we're trying to bring them back because we're trying to go back to natural hairstyles. So definitely want to just demonstrate how you can do this and how you can blend your hair with this really, really well. We both have 2 different textures of hair, and the clip-ins work well for her, and they work really, really well for me. I am now just going to turn her around so that you guys can see the front of her hair, because I'm halfway through her hair, and now we're just going to apply the pieces to the front of her hair. So You guys remember I did the part in the beginning, and this is why it's so important to do the part, because once you do the part, now you can see where you want your clip-ins to lay at, where you want your body to be at. And because, you know, we have a middle part, we want more body on one side of the head than the other. So now we're just going to apply the rest of these to the front, and we're just going to give her that fullness look that, you know, she wants and that we're looking for. We used about all of the clip-ins for both packs. I think it may have been like maybe 1 or 2 left out of each pack, but for the most part we used a full 2 packs for this length. And just to let you guys know again, we used a 20-inch and a 22-inch. So if you are looking to achieve this style, you can do like 2 22s or 2 20s, or you can do 120 and 122. So now we have installed all the clip-ins, and I'm just going to like fix the top of her hair. So I'm gonna use my wax stick, and this wax stick is really good for straightening hair, laying down your edges. I use this for everything. It works really good on weave and frontals and closures, and it works really well on natural hair too. So as you can see, I put it down on her edges and at the roots of her hair, and I'm just gonna run the flat iron through it just to help it, you know, help it be more straight. And then I am going to use my edge control, which is another fabulous, like, these 2 products you need. Like, honestly, if you don't purchase hair from me, it's okay, but I do recommend my edge control in wax stick. I'm not steering you wrong. It's a really good product. So I'm just gonna use the edge control to lay down her edges a little. And I don't even have an edge control brush, but this is how well it works. Like, I'm able to just do it with the comb, and with the comb I'm able to just, you know, sleek it straight down. This edge control really holds, like, it holds for 24 hours plus, so you don't have to worry about reapplying it or it not laying down your edges. It works really well. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I will be uploading more hair videos really soon. If you have any videos that you would recommend, definitely just comment below and let me know. I will leave the links to everything at the bottom, including the stuff from my hair business. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate all the support and love I've been receiving lately. It means the world to me. I will catch you tomorrow.